My new endorsement with Sanyang Furniture has brought me much excitement. This is really something new for me since first time kong magkaroon ng endorsement kung saan ang naka-highlight ay ang iba't ibang gamit sa bahay. From living room to bedroom to dining room, kitchen at pati office, Sanyang has it all. Talagang nakakatuwa na ako ang napili nila para maging endorser kaya maraming salamat sa kanila.
The third, my favorite, the white one, the white tank top, and then the jogging pants. Nandun siya sa bedroom playing with her dogs at si Rio kasama rin siya.
Yung shoot na enjoy ko. Ako talagang natutuwa ko pag nakikita ko yung mga furniture. Pag pumunta ako sa mall, na-amaze ako. Lalo pag cute talaga ng designs.
Sanyang Furniture is a collection of furniture for all rooms in the house. These knockdown furniture are either laminated or a solid wood. We have indoor and outdoor furniture. So basically, when we say for all rooms in the house, it's really for the living room, the dining room, the bedroom, even yung outdoor furnitures natin, kompleto po tayo.
With the children's cabinet naman, we had to show that it's a kiddie cabinet. It was a challenge to show the kiddie side of it, how to make it look like it's really for kids, with an adult Sarah as the talent. The wardrobe. They really wanted to showcase just the wardrobe, so we just put a little clothes inside. So that's basically it.
Makikita mo minsan sa photoshoot how she is kapag relaxed siya, and natutuwa kami na nandun talaga yung connection between the furniture and Miss Sarah.
It's very normal Sarah pero different. You know, she doesn't wear medyo edgy eh. So I like it kasi chic, sporty chic. Our fourth is the blue one. Yeah, the blue dress. Nasa bed siya. Yung sitting down, medyo casual lang din.
And that's a mattress layout. We call it a mattress layout. Now, it was a challenge also because we need to show that we are selling the mattress rather than the bed itself. She's of age to put up a new house, to put up her own house, and well, everything naman is appropriate, especially for the store because the store caters to everything from babies and to lolas and everything. So it's very appropriate for her as well. Well, Sarah is a very flexible person. She has fans from A to Z. The target market as well for this, they have items also for the lower end and they have items for the super high end.
We all realized that it's very easy to work with Miss Sarah Geronimo. From the time that she arrived, hindi namin na-feel yung pressure na, okay, there's a star inside the room, so everybody has to be on their toes. Walang ganung factor. Who will best represent Sanyang, who is loved by the masses, other than the person who is also loved by the masses, diba? So, it's really Miss Sarah Geronimo.